It's that time, everybody. We're ready for paint. Whoa, no, I thought we were ready to paint. I still got to tape off the windshield. But you can see here, everything's ready to go. I got the car taped off. Everything's draped underneath. Everything's taped off inside, outside. I put about 4 hours in taping this thing off. Doors are over here ready to go. Rear spoilers there. As you can see, everything's ready to go. So next time you guys see this, it's going to be painted. I got the heater going in here. It's probably about 65, maybe even 70 degrees. I got this little ceramic heater. It does a good job keeping the garage warm. The body's actually warm, which is what I want. The paint's inside the house because it's supposed to drop down to the 40s tonight. So I'm hoping if I can keep it 65 in here, it should spray really nice. But as I said, as you can see, it's all done. It's ready for color. So next time you see it, it will have paint. I'm gonna throw this video up tonight, and then maybe late Sunday, maybe I'll throw another video up. We'll see how it goes. So hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and it's an exciting day. Hope it all turns out well, because you never know with paint. So thanks again.